How to fix Microsoft Word is not responding, starting or opening on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have a latest version of the MS Word application on your device. So as you can see, I have the latest version of the Microsoft Word application on my device. So I'm just going to go back, make a long press on the word, then tap on App Info, leading me to a new page of App Info where you can see the option of clear data. So just tap on that, and if it's convenient for you, you can delete all data as well. If not, you can only clear cache. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required option. Then go and check your internet connection, that make you have a stable internet connection, and then just go to the MS Word and you might see your problem getting solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.